So today we're here on the Bangladesh boat cruise. Boat cruise, yes, a picnic they call it. A boat picnic.
Yes, boat picnic.
Yeah, and we're going along the river for 9 hours. It's lunch and breakfast. Yes, and how old are you? How old are you, Ruema?
I'm
5 years old already. Wow, English is really good for your age. Yeah. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? Yes, it's lunch. Curry.
Rice.
Rice. Oh, yes. Very nice.
This curry beef.
Oh, beef. Oh, lots of beef. Looks very nice.
Chicken.
Wow. Amazing. Looks very delicious.
Huh?
Yeah. Chinese vegetable.
Chinese vegetable.
What vegetable? Yes, green tea. Yeah, what is it? Oh, no, looks dirty. So Bangladesh people really love photos, I think, yeah? Photos and selfies. Yeah?
Selfies?
Yes.
Wow.
I like videos, I think it's better, you know? I will keep them as my memories, you know?
A video?
Yes, I like videos. Hi, what is your name? Yes, very strong man. Yeah. Okay, Hulk, the Bangladeshi Hulk. Yes. So you enjoy the cruise? It's good cruise, yeah? Yeah, it's fun. Okay. Talk to you later. Huh? What?
How do you come here?
I come for travel. Yes, I'm with a friend. Oh, so this is the boat. That guy was a jerk. Now I'm here in the saloon, which is comfortable, but the thing is, even the higher class in Bangladeshi, they're all trashy, you know. People don't know. I mean, there are no trash cans on this boat, and still those ministers and like people here, which are not low class, they still trash this place. Yeah, I'm really sad.
Are you enjoying?
So lunch is being served. People lining up. Oh, line, yeah. So you're cutting in line again. So lunch is served finally. Yes, I need to wash my hands. So this is my first time eating with hands here in Bangladesh, right? Because this is what local people, everybody eats with hands, right? So and I find it's very, very difficult, you know. You have to grab the rice. Like people complain it's difficult eating with chopsticks, but I think eating with hands is more difficult. It works. I can eat with hand, but I think it's inconvenient, you know. It's possible, but inconvenient, yeah, can you see? Yes, cool. Good food? Delicious?
Sorry?
Is the food delicious? Delicious? Good? Food good?
Rich?
Yeah. Delicious?
Rice and rich food.
Yes. Very good.
Delicious. Very delicious.
Yes. Have you ever eaten with chopsticks? Yes. Is it difficult? Yes. Yes. Okay. Good. I also think. I think it's more difficult eating with hands.
Bicycle.
Yeah, I know. It's very spicy.
Hey,
Can I get? I don't want rice.
yes, hey, chicken,
No
beef,
rice.
chicken, beef.
Let's see if it works. Yeah, because here the fan doesn't work, you know. He's trying to, engineer.
Engineer.
Yeah. And push the switch. No, doesn't work. And then when it's
Mr.
rest,
Stephen,
it's recording, yes.
he's from German. আমি তাকে ইনভাইট করলাম যে তুমি আমাদের অনুষ্ঠানে যাও, তো সে খুব ইচ্ছুক। জার্মান থেকে আসছে আমার ফ্রেন্ড, সে আমাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরবে। তো আজকে আমি একটু তাকে আপনাদের কাছে মানে উপস্থাপন করতে চাচ্ছি। সে আমাদের ইন্টারন্যাশনাল গেস্ট হিসেবে, যদিও সে বাংলা জানে না, তো সে ইংলিশে বা অদার জার্মানিজ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে সে একটু স্পিচ দেবে। মিস্টার স্টিফেন, all audience wants to you speak something about our cultural program with English and your mother language. Please carry on, friends.
Hello everyone. Thank you very much. First of all, I'm very happy to be here. It's a pleasure, and I think it's a very good opportunity to talk about culture. Since this is a cultural forum, there are so many cultural differences between Germany and Bangladesh. First of all, I'm very impressed about the Bangladesh hospitality. People are very friendly, very welcoming, and I really appreciate the kindness of people. In Germany, people are also very kind, but not necessarily to strangers. So it really depends. There are also so many other differences: the music, the food, the way people behave. Yes, and that's why I'm very happy to be here at the Greater Mymensing Cultural Forum. Yeah, at the Greater Mymensing Cultural Forum. Also, it's a big difference about having children in Bangladesh and in Germany. In Germany, people don't have so many children, but in Bangladesh, families are so big. This is a lot about cultural differences. Very interesting. So that's why in Germany people are much more wealthy, but although they have not so many children. That's an interesting question. And in Bangladesh people might not afford having so many children, but families are so big. Maybe it's because abortion is not common or many other reasons. That's why. Yes, and I would be very happy if all of you could come to Germany and visit. So, who of you have been to Germany?
Mr. German. I told you the Ballades of Mymensingh has been translated in German language, in French language, in English, and in German university you can collect Ballads of Maminshing by Dr. Dinesh Chandra Sen. We have the heritage of Maminshing Gitika, that is the Ballads of Maminshing. So thank you, Mr. Stephen, who came here to enjoy with us, and many thanks to Greater Maminshing or Greater Bangladesh. And thank you for your kind attendance.
Thank you very much, everybody.
আমি মহামিদ ভাইকে মঞ্চে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি। মোহাম্মদ ভাই সাথে মিজানুর রহমান সাহেব কিছু বলবেন।
Thank you very much. And now it's the tombola. And we got lucky, we got a lucky draw. They're showering in the ocean. Probably they don't have running water at home. Which city is that?
Munshiganj,
Oh, okay.
district city.
Yes, nice sunset. So, what is your name?
Malika.
Marita, yes.
Malika.
Maria. And what do you think about the youth in Bangladesh? Yeah, like people use YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook.
What is the most popular app?
Facebook.
Facebook is very popular. Yeah,
Popular.
I see. And what do young people do for fun? Because people here, they don't go drinking. In Germany, people go to bar and go dancing. And here, you don't go to bars. Or
Our cultural program is very nice, and I like our culture, Bangladeshi cultural program. And
yes. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, the culture program is good. But what people do for fun? What people do for fun? You know, you go out like for eating, or go to the mall.
rice and
Mall.
meat. Fish also.
Fish. People like fish. Yeah. So what is the traditional dish? What is the number one famous dish from?
Rice and
Rice. Yeah. But people always eat with hands. Yeah. People don't use fork. People always use hand to eat rice. Yeah. Why is that? Yeah.
you can Bangla.
What?
Can Bangla.
Bangla. I don't speak.
Speaking?
No. But she can speak English, right? Yeah. She knows.
Speak English very weak.
Yeah, because you don't know many foreigners.
We are speaking Bangla quick.
Bangla. So how many languages you speak? Do you speak Bangla? Do you speak Hindi?
No.
No Hindi. Only Bangla and little English. But you learn English in school, right?
No.
No English in school? So how did you learn English?
না ইংলিশ স্কুল মানে আছে আমরা পড়ি বাংলা স্কুলে বাংলা মিডিয়াম
Yes. Okay, I see. Interesting. Okay, thank you very much for the interview and enjoy the sunset. Who's better, India or Bangladesh in cricket? Really? Bangladesh won the cup?
And one day, Bangladesh will be won a cup.
Yeah, and what about Pakistan and Sri Lanka?
Pakistan is also good in cricket. And Australia is very strong team in cricket.
Okay, but Bangladesh is the best.
And Bangladesh is the best.
Is he telling the truth? Is it true? Bangladesh won? Really? No, no. I heard India is very strong. Yeah, India, but yeah, Bangladesh is next year. Next year maybe they win. Yeah. So I read on Wikipedia. I read that people in Bangladesh get married very, very early.
German I like so much. German.
Yes.
I like so much. Football. When football
Yes.
held, I like German country.
Okay. I see. Sorry? Messi, of course. I love Messi. Messi is a very good player.
Cristiano Ronaldo? Cristiano Ronaldo?
Cristiano Ronaldo, yeah, of course. He's also very good. Yeah. So, do you have any friends who are married? Like, you are 16, right?
Yeah.
So, any friends who are 16 already get married in Bangladesh? Because I read on the internet that 60% already get married before the age of 18.
No.
It's not true. Yeah. So, in your class, nobody's married. Maybe it's before the old generation, the old people. Yeah. So it's it changed a lot. Maybe Wikipedia is not correct. So I was very curious. German. Nice to meet you. Did you play the lottery? Yeah.
Get it?
No, I'm waiting for the TV. The TV is reserved for me.
Oh,
No, just kidding. Just kidding. I don't know. Maybe if I'm lucky.
Really?
No. So many factories. So, Jihad. Yeah? Tell me, how did you like the picnic? Okay. How did you like the picnic? Very, very, very good, yeah? Good.
You're
fine.
good, fine.
Yes, I enjoyed the cruise very much.
You remember me?
Sunset.
Why do
And here's
go back
somebody
at your home?
looking very shy. Yeah.
You remembering me when you go back at your home?
Yeah, of course.
Sure.
Are these factories or what is it?
Yes, very factory.
And what kind of factory?
Cement factory, textile, cement and bricks. Actually, these are bricks factory.
Gosh, it's so dirty here. We got some lunchbox as goodbye present. We just got interviewed by Masharul Islam. Yeah. And we also got a flower. It's very nice from a little girl. But I give it to Jihad for your hospitality. Yeah. And you can give it to a beautiful girl. Yeah. Because Jihad is looking for a wife. Yeah. So hopefully soon you can find. And today actually you had the appointment. You missed your appointment at the wedding agency. Yeah. That's really a pity. I like to learn more about the culture. I read something interesting which I think is not true. You know, Wikipedia say 65% of the girls are married before the 18th birthday. This is not true. Right? This is not true, right?
It's a little bit earlier information. Nowadays, everything has been changed. Now people are more educated.
Yes.
Their guardian are more educated. They don't want to give their, marriage to their daughter so early.
Okay.
Now people has been more conscious. The government is more conscious about that early marriage. It's a earlier information.
It's old, yeah. It's outdated, yeah. Outdated, yeah. So I was shocked about this, yeah.
Because now people are more
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia, yes. Yeah, Wikipedia.
Update information.
Yeah, so you can update Wikipedia.
people are also
Thank you very much. It was an honor to be here today. Yeah. So we got this flowers. It was a great picnic.
On behalf of Cultural Forum. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we're in a tuk-tuk. With a cage on wheel.